Why is it so hard to ride? Oh dear, looks like I've punctured my tire. What am I to do? Welcome back to Tech Time with Tim. Today we have a special guest, Senior Technician of Mobot, Ahong.
Hello!
So let's see how it's done. The first step to replacing your punctured tire is to unscrew the quick release lever to remove the entire wheel. Then unscrew and remove the valve cap. Use a tire removing lever to remove the tire. Stick one lever beneath the tire, then use the second one to slowly pry it out. After the tire has been removed, pull the inner tube out to replace it. To install a new inner tube, firmly squeeze it back into the outer tire. Then look for the valve hole on the rim and reattach the tire to the rim. When the tire has fully covered the circumference of the rim, you can place it back onto the front fork and re-screw the quick release lever. So I hope that helped you guys. Ahong, thank you for showing us how it's done. Take care, safe ride.